INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer System.
Chapter 1 Package.
Each package content of INCAT-4 system. 1 User Manual. 2 1 Patent INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer. 3 1 CD for license INCAT-4 UIAPP. 4 2 Model Fixture. 5 2 Patent Tools. 6 1 Tool Locking Setter with Screwdriver. 7 1 Release Fixture. 8 1 Power Core. 9 1 Network Cable, RJ45 Connector. Transformer option not in this package. 110V, 220V transformer is possible. Purchased with your purchase order.
Chapter 2 General.
The INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer System is specified for small batch aligner production in dental clinics. This system is easy, precise, elegant and convenient, so even teenagers can operate the system with one-house training. The INCAT-4 is a clear aligner trimmer system and is not only a 4-axis clear aligner trimmer but includes a Windows-based INCAT-4 UIAPP. The INCAT-4 UIAPP has 2 trimming path fetch mods. A QR code reader is needed to read QR code for each relative trimming path program fetches. QR code with ESCOM mode, fetch trimming path program from internal program that generated by ESCOM. The ESCOM provided fixed pin position boolean for the 3D printer to print out mode and trimming path for trimmer. ESCOM, developed by Intech. QR code external CAM mode, fetch trimming path program from external program that generated by external CAM. The external must can fix pin position boolean, fix pin position ref. INCAT-4 fixture fix hole position, and trimming path.
Chapter 3 The flow to produce an aligner.
1 Scan. Dental clinic used scanner scan teeth of patient and got STL of teeth. 2 Plan. Dental lab or dentist designed each step aligner for the patient and output each step plan. .stl. 3 Pin boolean. Dental technician used pin boolean for position and output each step pin.stl. 4 Print. Dental technician used 3D printer out each step model, using each step pin.stl. 5 Thermoforming. Dental technician made each aligner on each model. 6 Aligner trimming. Dental technician put model with aligner to INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer for trimming to get aligner from model. The INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer, Intech 4-axis, Clear Aligner Trimmer. INCAT-4 UIAPP, UIAPP Integrated Operating, Pin Boolean CAM and Trimming Path CAM. This UIAPP is running on PC, and can link with 5 INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmers by network.
Chapter 4 Before install INCAT-4 UIAPP and SCAM on your PC.
PC requirement. i7/2.06 GHz/8 GB RAM, Win 10 or later version.
Chapter 5 Set up INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer.
Prepare a table at least 800 mm long, 600 mm width. Pick up INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer by 2 people. The weight of INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer around 50 kilograms, and put it on table. Pick up power core and uses it to connect INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer and power plug. Pick up network cable and uses it to connect INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer and your PC.
Start install INCAT-4 UIAPP.
Power on your PC and PC ready to operate. Pick up the CD from the package. Put CD in CD-ROM. Run auto.exe from CD. Auto install INCAT-4 UIAPP on your PC step by step. An icon of INCAT-4 will be added on your PC after completion. Click this icon will prompt out INCAT-4 UIAPP. We will explain each button and its function in the later section.
Chapter 7 INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer.
Now we are going to overview INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer. This trimmer is very cute and compact. It's only with dimensions 600 mm*, 400 mm*, 600 mm, and weight just around 50 kilograms. For high precision and stability, this trimmer used EtherCAT technology AC servo absolute system. Other brands' clear aligner trimmer used unstable stepping incremental motor, and the trimmer always kept absolute machine position so it does not need homing process when powered on. The CNC controller used an Incon M86S industrial standard open CNC controller to achieve a perfect smooth trimming path. The machine panel also is simple and easy. Indicators on top of the panel indicate instant status for the user. An emergency stop push button can break machine power in any case. The knob of the spindle can change spindle RPM from 0 to 12,000 RPM according to actual trimming. Two buttons Go and Stop were used to go trimming and stop trimming. A power switch with indicator was used to turn on off power. To prevent any danger when trimming, a safety door was installed in front of the trimmer. The trimming only functions when the safety door is closed, however the trimming process will abort when the safety door is open. Two connectors have been fixed on the rear of the trimmer. One is a power port connector, and another is a network RJ45 connector. Please pick up power core and network cable from package, and connecting power core from trimmer to power plug, single-phase AC 220V 5060HC, and connecting trimmer network cable from trimmer to PC. AC 110V, AC 220V transformer option is required when your office has not AC 220V. The absolute position AC servo system is used. The absolute position is backup by battery. When the battery runs out, the battery needs to be replaced. A message of low battery will show on INCAT-4 UIAPP, and please do not power off and do not push the emergency button. On the right side of this trimmer has a battery set cover. Open battery set cover and replace a new battery, then close battery set cover. If wrong process of replaced battery, the absolute position will be lost. When the absolute position is lost, the user must send the trimmer back to set up the absolute position.
Chapter 8, INCAT-4 UIAPP.
A CD in the package is an INCAT-4 UIAPP installation CD. Put this CD into your PC player of the PC, then execute auto.exe. When completed installation, an icon as below will show on screen. Double-click this icon to open INCAT-4 UIAPP, and INCAT-4 UIAPP will show on screen. The INCAT-4 UIAPP has English and traditional Chinese for users. Users can choose one of two. The INCAT-4 UIAPP encase just links one INCAT-4 clear aligner trimmer. Hub can be exempt. User links PC and INCAT-4 clear aligner trimmer directed by network cable. If more than one INCAT-4 clear aligner trimmer links to PC has to through hub. INCAT-4 UIAPP can link up to 5 INCAT-4 clear aligner trimmers. Each INCAT-4 clear aligner trimmer can set its name and IP address by setting. IP must be on the same LAN. For example, PC IP is 192.168.1.0, INCAT-4 trimmer has to 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.1.219.168.1.255. The default IP address of INCAT-4 clear aligner trimmer is 192.168.1.101, so please change PC IP address to the same LAN, for example, 192.168.1.10 for first-time network links.
Chapter 9, Set Static IP Address on Windows 10 from Setting.
To assign a static IP address on Windows 10, use these steps. 1. Open Settings on Windows 10. 2. Click on Network and Internet. 3. Click on Wi-Fi or Ethernet. 4. Click on the current network connection. 5. Under the IP Settings section, click the Edit button. 6. Using the drop-down menu, select the Manual option. 7. Turn on the IPv4 toggle switch. 8. Set a static IP address to use by the Windows 10 computer. 9. Specify if subnet prefix length, subnet mask. If the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, the subnet prefix length in bits is 24. 10. Specify a default gateway address. 11. Specify a preferred DNS address. 12. Specify an alternate DNS address, if applicable. 13. Click the Save button. After you complete the steps, you can test your settings using your web browser to open a website.
Chapter 10, To link PC and INCAT-4 clear aligner trimmer by INCAT-4 UIAPP.
INCAT-4 UIAPP has 5 station buttons for choosing one of 5. INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer operates with INCAT-4 UIAPP. When a station is chosen, users can set the station name, IP address, and select QR code mod or download mod for trimmer path program. For example, link most left INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer as a 1 station, click most left station button, will come out red farm surround this station button and character. Turns to blue. Click the setting button for setting enable, station name, IP address, then click OK finish setting. When INCAT-4 UIAPP is linked with most left INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer, the INCAT-4 UIAPP becomes as shown below. Because INCAT-4 UIAPP can link 5 INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmers, but cannot operate with 5 INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmers at the same time, but can operate one by one. The station name and IP address of current linking INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer always showing on top left of INCAT-4 UIAPP. For example, if INCAT-4 UIAPP links 2 INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmers and 2 aligners for trimming, user can link first INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer and QR code reader fetched and download first aligner trimming path program and geo trimming, then link second INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer and QR coder fetched and download second trimming path program and geo trimming. Each INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer has an INCON M86S CNC controller. So after trimming path program download from INCAT-4 UIAPP, it executes alone and will not interference when INCAT-4 UIAPP links to other INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer.
Chapter 11. Change INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer IP address.
We need to change the INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer IP address if INCAT-4 UIAPP has linked over one INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer. The default IP of INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer was 192.168.1.101 when shipping. If we have 2 INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmers, we need a link to INCAT-4 UIAPP and we decide 192.168.1.10 for first and 192.168.1.11 per second. We can set each INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer IP address by following steps. 1. Set PC IP address as 192.168.1.1. 2. You need a HUB. 3. Connect PC to hub by network cable. 4. Connect first INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer to hub by network cable. 5. Power on PC and first INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer. 6. Click INCAT-4 UIAPP icon. 7. Get an INCAT-4 UIAPP. 8. Click most left station button, then click setting button, pop out setting dialog box. 9. Fill station name, for example, station name T1, then IP address 192.168.1.101. 10. Click OK close setting dialog box. 11. INCAT-4 UIAPP link first INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer by default IP 192.168.1.101. 12. Success link with first INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer. 13. Click most left station button again, then click setting button, then set IP 192.168.1.10 by INCAT-4 UIAPP setting dialog box. 14. Click OK to close setting dialog box. 15. Power off first INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer, and power on again. 16. Connect second INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer to hub by network cable. 17. Click most second left station button, then setting button, pop out setting dialog box. 18. Fill station name, for example, station T2, IP address 192.168.1.10119. Click OK close setting dialog box. 20. INCAT-4 UIAPP link second INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer by default 192.168.1.10. 21. Success link with second INCAT-4 Clear Aligner Trimmer. 22. Click most second left station button again, then click setting button, pop out setting dialog box, then set IP 192.168.1.101. 2.68.1.11. 23. Click OK. Close setting dialog. 24. Power off second INCAT-4 clear aligner trimmer, and power on again.
Chapter 12, Message Record button.
When you click the message record button, will pop out a list of message record. Click OK will close the message record list.
Chapter 13, Clean button.
To keep INCAT-4 clear aligner trimmer clean is very important. After a period of working, chips will accumulate on the bottom of the INCAT-4 clear aligner trimmer, so we need to clean the chip with a vacuum cleaner. Please following steps as below to clean chips. 1. Link INCAT-4 clear aligner trimmer by station button in INCAT-4 UIAPP2. Click Clean button in INCAT-4 UIAPP. 3. INCAT-4 clear aligner trimmer will move spindle forward, then the rotary table upward. 4. Now INCAT-4 clear aligner trimmer allows the user to open safety door. 5. Open safety door. 6. Clean chips by vacuum cleaner. 7. Close safety door. 8. Push stop button on INCAT-4 clear aligner trimmer. 9. Rotary table downward. 10. Spindle backward. 11. Click OK to close hint message box on INCAT-4 UIAPP.
Chapter 14, Fetch internal or external trimming path program from internal.
Fetch internal trimming path. During setup UIAPP on PC, the setup program has an option to select QR code reader fetch internal trimming path program, and has been selected, and QR code reader always fetch internal trimming path program that generated by ESCOM. ESCOM option shall be purchased. Fetch external trimming path. During setup UIAPP on PC, the setup program has an option to select QR code reader fetch external trimming path program, and has been selected, and QR code reader always fetch external trimming path program that on upper cloud. ESCOM fix pin boolean and generate trimming path program and trimming to click trimming path button will enter ESCOM. ESCOM has two functions, one is fix pin boolean, and other one is generate trimming path program. The fix pin boolean function is using put fix pin to plan.stl and output pin.stl for the 3D printer to print the model. The generate trimming path program function is used to generate trimming path programs for trimming. Trimming path button has clicked, the EasyCam window pop out. On the right is the data input field. Users can open pin.stl, calculate trimming path, and export programs. Also can input parameters for calculating trimming path. When the trimming path program exported to the specified path, the user closed EasyCam, then went to INCAT-4 UIAPP. The QR code button clicked, QR code reader enabled reading QR code on teeth model with aligner, and finished reading will fetch relative trimming path program from specified path, and download to INCAT-4 trimmer. The yellow indicator of the INCAT-4 trimmer will flash. The yellow indicator of INCAT-4 clear aligner trimmer, which was linked with INCAT-4 UIAPP is flash. Yellow LED flash. INCAT-4 clear aligner trimmer must put in fixture with 3D pet aligner model before download aligner trimming path. Push the go button to start trimming. Anytime the stop button is pushed, will abort trimming. It needs reprocess QR code download for prevent any mistake after stop button has been pushed. Fix pin boolean. The fix pin boolean function is using the fix pin to plan.stl and output pin.stl for the 3D printer to print the model. Fetch external trimming and trimming. During setup UIAPP on PC, the setup program has an option to select QR code reader fetch external trimming path program, and has been selected, and QR code reader always fetch external trimming path program that on upper cloud. The QR code button clicked, QR code reader enabled reading QR code on teeth model with aligner, and finished reading will fetch relative trimming path program from cloud and download to INCAT-4 trimmer. The yellow indicator of the INCAT-4 trimmer will flash. The yellow indicator of INCAT-4 clear aligner trimmer, which was linked with INCAT-4 UIAPP is flash. Yellow LED flash. INCAT-4 clear aligner trimmer must put in fixture with 3D pet aligner model before download aligner trimming path. Push the go button to start trimming. Anytime the stop button is pushed, will abort trimming. It needs reprocess QR code download for prevent any mistake after stop button has been pushed. Aligner fixture. The aligner fixture is used to put a 3D ped aligner model that has pinholes to prevent wrong placement on the INCAT-4 clear aligner trimmer. It is made of transparent acrylic and consumables. You may purchase it from agent. The aligner fixture with 3D ped aligner model always put in rotary table of INCAT clear aligner trimmer before trimming path program from INCAT-4 UIAPP. Release fixture. The release fixture is used to release a 3D ped aligner model from the aligner fixture after finished trimming. Just put aligner fixture on release fixture, then push down, and 3D ped aligner model released from aligner fixture. The release fixture also is consumables. It may be purchased from an agent. Pattern tool. The tool for trimming of INCAT-4 clear aligner trimmer took a lot of testing for best trimming quality and minimum polish. The pattern tool rights belong to Intec Technology Corporation, also as consumables. It may purchase it from an agent. The pattern tool can trim around 100 to 150 aligners. Patent tool locking setter with locking driver. The spindle of INCAT-4 clear aligner trimmer always locks a pattern tool for trimming, because absolute position has taken on system, so it does not need homing and tool length measurement after power on, and will not have any position problem when trimming. But any time when replacing a pattern tool locking setter plays an important role. Pattern tool locking setter is a cylinder and a hole of pattern tool in the center for put in pattern tool, only for pattern tool. Other tool cannot compose and will lose right position when trimming. Release pattern tool from spindle. To put pattern tool locking setter to pattern tool, then release spindle side lock screw by screwdriver, took pattern tool locking setter with pattern tool. Do not touch pattern tool by hand or any part of body, always. Locking pattern tool to spindle, insert pattern tool to pattern tool locking setter, release side lock screw by screwdriver. Put in a pattern tool and seamless with a spindle, then locking the pattern tool by screwdriver. Take off pattern tool locking setter from pattern tool. The article of this manual cannot copy or reproduce by any form without Intec Technology Corporation permit. Alright, reserve. The content of this manual does not guarantee all content meets the INCAT-4 system, and without notice will modify.
Troubleshooting.
In case network linking well and emergency release, abort trimming process, push stop button, INCAT-4 will stop, and go back to safety position. In case network linking well and emergency on, recover to ready state. Release the emergency button, then push the stop button to go back to safety position. In case network linking disconnect, recover to ready state. Emergency on, power off after 10 seconds, power on. When INCAT-4 internal lights are on, release an emergency. In case network linking unstable. Checking connector of network cable, does it connect well? Replace new one network cable. In case network could not linking. Checking IP address of PC setting. Does network cable connect well? Position backup battery power low. Do not power off. Open battery cover, replace battery with new battery, close battery cover.